Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use split screen on your Capcut app. Now tap on new project, select the video you want to edit. Now tap on overlay, add overlay, select the second video, edit. Now fit it to the video however you want. Now select mask, scroll right till you find it, tap on horizontal. You can edit it however you want. I will edit it this way. Now tap on play. You can see both videos are playing. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel.